6 months ago, this was just another project car sitting in the backdrop, something I'd build whenever I could and whenever I got to it. Little did I know though that I would create a build series and document it all. Get in front of a camera, and everything in my world's changed since then. Now, if you're new to the channel here, this is the kind of stuff you're gonna see me work on a lot. I work on a lot of cool old cars, a lot of trucks, real world kind of stuff, a lot of DIY things. 80s cars and trucks is where it's at right now because our generation, I'm a millennial, this is the kind of stuff we grew up on. 60s and 70s muscle cars, they're fun to have. Got some of those stashed away, we work on them as well. But the biggest thing for me was to get on YouTube and create some content was not to get famous, not to just go viral. Literally just me putting myself to the ground, documenting a build, and we did it with this car. This is a 1986 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. I bought this car a couple years ago, had a V6 in it. We went ahead and yanked the engine out of this car. I put a small block Chevrolet. We've got a built rear end, built transmission, and this right here is a cool car, really cool. And it's a lot of DIY things that anybody can do. And to me, getting in front of a camera to do this was a milestone. I don't have any fancy equipment, no fancy lights. We're working outside right now to do videos to introduce the car and the channel that we're here to do with you guys. It's awesome. Working on cars and trucks has always been a passion. And this car really gave me the chance to show it and have a good time with it. So being able to get in front of a camera, document everything, this has been a world of a change. I've met a lot of people in the community as well, and I'm grateful for every single one of the ones who've joined along with us. It's great to get messages and direct DMs that are people like, hey man, where's the status on the car? It's pretty cool. Now the fun part to all this stuff with YouTube is there's no rhyme or reason to how this works. The biggest thing for me was getting in front of a camera, hit the record button, and just document everything we do on the build series. So it was a learning curve for me to like I said, to get in front of a camera. When you're a DIY worker like myself and you work on all your cars, it's a pain in the butt to sit there and plan the videos and try to find the right content and the B-rolls. But you know, I learned there's a lot of good content out there that's allowed me to get some information. And here I am creating this video using those same practices and having a great time while we're doing it. It's awesome. 6 months ago, I would not have found myself doing this kind of stuff. I was always working on these cars, going through the background of doing everything, but I was like, you know, I really want to be able to do this and help other people out there, build a community with cars and trucks, because like many of you, we watch so many different automotive content creators. You get ideas, you get inspirations, and the best thing you can do is do this. Get out there, have a good time. I never thought that I would be sitting in this exact situation with well over 1,400 subscribers on YouTube, a growing social media following across other platforms, to be this exact point and having a great time. Working on cars and trucks sure is a hobby, but getting in front of the camera, building a community here now on YouTube is giving me that next step to where I want to go. We've got things, we've got ideas in the background for 2026 we're working on. Little did I know that I myself would become an automotive content creator, and this is exactly what we're here to do. I'm enjoying working and building these cars and trucks and being able to document everything we do because it helps me keep accountability on myself. Also too, to help build the community even bigger. Car culture is a huge thing, and whether you're a car guy, car enthusiast, we're all into cars and trucks. I'm having a great time being able to work on my cars because I'm actually able to get them done. The video recording, literally, like I said, puts accountability to me finishing things, whether I'm planning out videos in stages, whether it's fuel system, electrical, driveline stuff. Like to me, this keeps me on the ball with these cars and trucks, so I'm not falling behind, as well as letting other people partake on what we're building, putting some input, and hopefully giving inspiration on their own projects. Now the build on this car is not complete yet. You've seen me get the motor installed. You've seen us get all the electrical things done. We've actually finally been able to work a couple bugs out to drive it as well. This car sounds so good. But there's so much more left on this car to do, and the build series will continue because this community is growing. Again, we're at 1,400 plus subscribers right now as an automotive content creator, and I'm so grateful for that because what that allows us to do is continually grow and the sky's the limit. So thank you guys. The next video you see on this, we're gonna go ahead and do a good drive on this car also. So we're gonna actually go ahead and put this car through the ringer and make sure everything we did worked. So catch you guys on the next one.